Hey guys, for today's video, we are here in Talabahan sa Opon. I'm craving for talaba guys, so come and join me. Let's eat, let's go! Eto siya, eto yung space nila guys. Malaki siya, 'di ba? It's my first time here guys. Malapit na to sa amin. And okay naman yung space. Let's try their talaba here guys. Welcome sa Talabahan sa Opon. And this is my order, the chili garlic talaba. Eto na yung talaba nila guys. Look at that. This is the chili garlic flavor. Only for 180 pesos. So try na natin. Let's eat! Rar! Ito talaga yung kinikrave ko guys. Look at that. 'Di ba? Ano yung mas gusto mo? Etong talaba or talaba ko? Charot! Charot lang. Kain na tayo guys. Let's eat! Taste test! Sarap, chili garlic. It's spicy talaga, guys. More cravings to come. Bye!